Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a zip file. In this video, I have this code here that I'm supposed to compress and make it into a zip file. When you talk of a zip file, we are simply talking of a compressed file that can be archived and that is portable, that can be stored easily or that can be shared. So to get started, I'll need to have the file first before I can compress it into a zip file. So I'll go ahead and copy the code and create a text file. I'll go ahead and paste the code and then save it. Now I have here the file that I'm supposed to convert or make it into a zip file. Now one thing to remember is that you can compress or convert more than one file or folder into a zip file. To compress files or a file into a zip, go ahead and select all the files that you want to compress. For instance, if there are three, just go ahead and select all of them. Right click on any of them and then go ahead and click on send. From here you can see the option compress zip folder. Go ahead and click on it. For my case, I don't want to compress the three. I only want to compress one. To be able to do so, I'll repeat the same process. I'll select the file that I want to compress into a zip file and then I'll right click on it and then go to send to and select compress zip folder. Now this zip file will automatically be created in the same folder, but not as a text but as zip file. As you can see, the zip file that we have just created is here. Now you can go ahead and check the size and see. If we go ahead and check the file size of the original text file, under properties we can see the size of the file was 2.70 KB. On the other hand, if we check the zip file, we go to properties, we find that this is 1.19 KB. This is a massive reduction in file size. If this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe and like this video to support me. Thank you for watching and bye bye.